Hi friends, I'm Swarna and welcome to my channel. Today is DIY day. I made a chalkboard dry erase week planner on a shoestring budget. The whole thing costed me just $5 and I'm so excited to share it with you guys because it has come out so well. You might be wondering, how can a chalkboard be dry erasable, right? I like the look of a chalkboard, but I like the functionality of a dry erase board. Chalkboards are so hard to clean because of the chalk dust and it's so hard to get the chalk marks out. So I made a week planner that looks like a chalkboard but functions like a dry erase board. I have just 3 rules when it comes to a DIY. It has to be super easy, super inexpensive and super quick to make. I won't even attempt a DIY if it fails my rules. This DIY is already super easy, yet I want to share the tips and tricks that makes the process quicker and easier. If you're new to my channel, I upload a video every Thursday. I make a lot of DIYs, dollar store hauls, home decor, organizing and life hack videos. If that talks to you, please consider subscribing to my channel because I have a lot of exciting video ideas planned for the upcoming weeks and I will love to catch you guys in it. Now let's start the DIY journey.
These are the items you need for the project. Glue guns and command strips I got from Amazon. I will link them in the description box below. All of the other items I got from Dollar Tree. You mainly need 8 picture frames. Any size of your choice is okay for this project. It should be all the same size though. I already had 4 in my house and I got 4 more. I got this cute candle holder and cotton stand. You need these printouts. I made it so easy just using Word. I will link these in the description box below so that you can easily take printout of them. Next you need to paint these frames. I used acrylic paint of color Vanilla Shake. I got this from Michael's for less than $1 and I used very little of this bottle. Remove the glass and the picture from the frames and lay them out. It's easier to paint them this way. Paint the front and sides of the frame. Give it 2 coats of paint. This is how it looks after 2 coats. While the paint dries, cut only the black part of the printout. Now put the printout inside the frame. Now it's all ready to be glued. I am following a vertical, horizontal and vertical pattern here. Align all the margins. You should get a square hole in the middle. Now flip them over as mirror reflection to glue the back. Use the glue gun to glue all the edges together. Use them generously. I used this PVC tape to tape them just for extra sturdiness. This is how it looks if you flip it over. Repeat the same process for the other 4 frames. Now you will have 2 sets of 4 frames. Now glue them together and attach some tapes for extra strength. This is the final look folks and I love it. And I also made a cute holder for the chalk pen. This is the chalk pen that I'm going to use. I got this from Amazon. Dollar Tree also has some chalk pens which are really good. I just put the cotton stem in the candle holder and put a burlap knot over it. This holds the chalk pen and conceals it. I love how this has turned out. Now it's time to attach it to the side of the fridge as I am planning to use this for meal planning. I am using this command strips to attach it. 1 pair of strips can hold 12 pounds. I use 6 pair of this around the corners just to ensure that it is sturdy enough and it is evenly spread over the corners. I kept the pen holder on the top of the fridge for easy access of it. You can see how easy it is to clean it. Chalkboard look and dry erasable. That's project success to me folks. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to hear back from you guys. Also please consider subscribing to my channel to watch more of my DIY videos. See you next time. Until then, it's bye from Swarna.